iDryclean has an exciting new feature to help you make more money and help avoid costly garment errors. Keep watching and I'll tell you all about it.
Hi, Mr. Feng. I need this very expensive Versace blouse dry cleaned. Can you help me?
Hi Jane. Impressive Cleaners specializes in cleaning all types of garments and we would love to help you. Every cleaner knows this designer garment scenario. iDryclean will help you make more money and guard your store from expensive mistakes. iDryclean lets you mark up orders with designer names and upcharges. Let's see how it works. When you enter new orders, you can configure things like shirts and blouses to have a brand name upcharge. Let's add a blouse garment to the order. Now click on the designer button and see the list of all the designer brands. Select Calvin Klein with a 10-cent markup. Add a second blouse and then search for Armani. Click on the Giorgio Armani brand, which has a 30-cent markup. You can design and print your own brand names release form, manage customer expectations, and limit your liability. It is a simple text file named brand names release form.txt in the iDryclean program folder. After a brand name from the pop-up list is selected, the release form will print on your receipt printer automatically if found. If you already use an earlier version of iDryclean, simply go to the iDryclean support page to download the latest version containing this incredible feature. All program improvements are always free to existing iDryclean customers. If not a customer, give us a call now or book a demo to see how we can help you.